Hello everyone, my name is Francis Natavera. Here to talk about my AI project. I've come up with a problem where people always find difficult in differentiating between the rotten fruits and the fruits that are not rotten. This is like factories, juice making factories, grocery stores, supermarkets, and yeah. So with this project, we'll be able to differentiate whether the fruit is rotten or whether it's fine. So I've come up with a model. Okay, taking it back, traditionally this kind of work has been done by men, separating the rotten fruits from the good fruits physically, which has been so time wasting, labor intensive, and not efficient. Hence, we need an automated system which can reduce the efforts of humans, increase production, and reduce the cost of production at the time of production. So taking an example, we have a data set that can be obtained from Kaggle, which is a website, which has 3 types of fruits, let's say apples, bananas, and oranges, with 6 classes, each fruit divided as a fresh and rotten fruit. The total size of the data set used in this work has a certain number of images. So fruits from such a data set are compared to the fruits that can be examined. So for example, you're checking whether in a certain group of fruits, let's say the apples, you want to know whether they are rotten or they are not rotten. So this system will be able to use cameras to capture the image of this let's say one apple, and then compare us to the data set that is already in the system. The level of accuracy can be determined based on the convolutional neural networks, which is a very famous division of machine learning. So in this project, we'll be using both supervised and unsupervised techniques, where we'll use clustering as a technique of unsupervised learning. So clustering is a technique which groups unlabeled data based on their differences or similarities. That's why you find you're comparing a rotten and a fruit that is not rotten. Yep. So we also have supervised techniques. So the supervised techniques, we have regression. Regression is a method used in where there's a connection between the input variable and the output variable. So with this regression, you find the project will be able to have an input from the camera, then outputting the image's description, whether it's rotten, whether it's not rotten, depending on the level of accuracy. It could be a 97, it could be a 95. So with the accuracy, it's where we determine the rottenness of the fruit. Okay, with that abstract from my project, I'm hopeful you've learned and will be able to continue tackling this project until it's a really working model. Thank you all for watching.